Hello and welcome to our database for research instruments in the context of EdTech from the Learning Lab here at the University of Duisburg-Essen. In the following slides, I shortly like to present to you how you can use our database for your own research. Our goal is to improve the research in educational technology. So what we did is we created this database in which measurement instruments are documented according to different learning process indicators. To create that database, we analyzed more than 250 articles using systematic literature reviews. So far, we extracted over 150 questionnaires, coding schemes, and log data approaches. And of course, the project is still in process, so you will find even more here in the future. If you like to use our database for your own research, you can find it on the Learning Lab website on the left hand under Research Instruments, or you can just photograph the given QR code on this slide. What you're now seeing is our database. On the left, you have a QR code that leads you directly to this page. You find all the research instruments here, and you can just click on them and have a look at them. After you clicked on an instrument, you will get more information about it. You will see how many items and dimensions the questionnaire contains. It is indicated which learning process indicators are surveyed in the measuring instrument. It is also indicated how the measurement is done, whether by questionnaire, interview, behavioral observation, log data, or other. It is stated for which educational sector the instrument is used and how it is cited, and whether the measurement instrument is psychometrically validated. We see this here with the example of a questionnaire. You also have the option of downloading a PDF with all this information as a handout. This handout also contains the items, the coding schemes, and the basis for the indicators. If you go back now to the database page, you have three more options in searching for an instrument. You can check whether a research instrument is already in the database or whether it is still missing. You can also search for words that appear in the title, such as interest or motivation. If you can't find an instrument that you think belongs in our database, please send us an email. You will find the address at the end of the screencast. You also have the option of filtering by learning indicators, which we categorized according to the concept of student engagement in the teaching-learning context. Cognitive process refers to cognitive processes in learning, such as critical thinking or understanding. Affective process refers to all emotions in learning. This can include fun, satisfaction, but also frustration. Behavioral process refers to all direct behaviors, such as participation or time on task. Social processes refer to all shared learning processes or their perception. Metacognitive processes or learning strategies refer to the strategies used, such as self-regulation or metacognition. Learning outcome refers to all performance measures. Finally, it is also possible to look for the psychometric status of the questionnaire. You can also see if the questionnaire is validated according to a measurement theoretical understanding or not. More specifically, if there are reliability or validity indicators, such as the Cronbach's alpha given in the studies, or if there are other indications for a validation of the items by means of pretest or factor analysis. We hope that our database proves useful to you and your research. And we are very much looking forward to your comments and, of course, for references to further instruments that you find suitable for the database.